Okay, so they brought me one singular trash can, and the guy said it was for the bathroom. This is that trash can. Okay, she's a little small. I'm just gonna. So I'm drinking chamomile tea. That's supposed to be good for like relaxing and sleep. And I really want a good night of sleep before, you know, the competition tomorrow. I always get nervous before competitions because I just want to do a good job. It's because I care. Because this is such a really good opportunity, and this job has opened a lot of doors for me in terms of traveling, and I'm very grateful. I wish for this to continue as much as possible. It's really close to what I want to do as a dream job, so. Good morning. Whoa. How did I sleep? Good enough. It wasn't like a walk in the park, but coffee. And then I'm gonna get in the shower. Up we go. Oh. Coffee. Yep, it's bad. I need to get me some glasses like this at my house. That's what I need to do. Cause like those glasses are so cool. It's like for a little drink.
Architects.
Huh? Alright, set up that. My camera fell. But this is basically what I'm doing. It's weird, like I haven't been calm and like ready for a theater show. Like I feel pretty calm, which is unnerving because I'm like, well, I feel like something's coming, but I don't know. I think everything's fine from what I can tell. So this is the setup. So this seating is a little bit uncomfortable because I'm so far away from the camera. It is lunchtime, lunch break, I guess. Lunch today was a tuna sandwich. At least I think it was a tuna sandwich, and I hope it didn't have dairy in it. So far, so good. We're crushing it. So I'm running to Chipotle because they didn't get me anything dairy-free or nothing that has meat in it, so I'm running to Chipotle. Because I just can't with this. This is what happens when you have allergies. You have to do shit like this. I hate when people assume It's the worst kind of thing when people assume. Alright, it is 10 o'clock at night. I am trying to go home. I'm so tired. It was like, what, 16-hour day? 7 to 10? I don't know, I can't even count right now. My brain is so scrambled, fried, and all the other stuff. I'm ready to get out of here. Actually, you know what? People just cannot drive. Oh my God, I hate it. I hate it so much. All right, now these people need to get out my way. Okay? Don't move slower, don't worry. All right, I'm going after this car. Literally, oh my God, there's a clock. Bruh. I just find peace knowing there's no music on right now. I'm just sitting in silence. Because for listening to, like, the same music, not even that much different. I've listened to the same song probably about 5 times each. Like, the songs don't differentiate that much. Okay, I've listened to the song My Way in about 4 different versions over today. Okay? Oh my God, these headlights are so bright in this car. I'm being blinded. Ugh, these roads also suck. I'm gonna tell you one thing about New Jersey. Everything is on a highway. Literally everything is on a highway. There's not a time where you're not on the highway. I mean, look at this. It is 10 o'clock at night and everyone and their mama is outside. Like, for what? This is what I mean. Everything is on a freaking highway. And ain't nobody is nice enough to let you over either. Everyone's got an attitude, okay? Everybody. I'm so over it. I hope I don't get another Jersey one again. Because, oh my God, do I hate Jersey. No offense to the Jerseyans. I cannot do it. I'm exhausted. My eyes feel red. This music sucks. I left a little light on for myself. You know, I don't know why they keep turning on this TV. The remote is not even... Talking about wasting power. Everybody, be quiet. Let me try to concentrate here on what I need to do. Does this not even have a outlet? Bruh, you gotta be joking with me. It's under the table. I'm not in it today. It is 11 o'clock. I'm still up because I'm having an issue with the software. It's reading the SD card, but the software does not work. So I still have to sit here until it's being uploaded. And I just freaking can't. I'm so tired. I can't even open my freaking eyes right now. I'm really done. Low-key. Like, dude, why can't I just do this on the Monday?